login now. You click on here, login. So network is bit slow, just please cooperate. And I will provide a link to have access to the IT website in description box. This is a link to access the IT website. Yeah, right. Here you should enter your PAN number. After clicking on login, this is a screen it appears, and you enter your PAN number. Click on continue. Yeah, just you make sure this, you tick this and enter your password. If you remember, it's better. If not, you can forget, you can use a forget option, forget password options, and they will ask 3 to 4 types to reset your password, and you just click on that. It's a self-explanatory. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and I will explain you. It's taking time. Yeah, this is after login. The screen looks like this. Welcome to e-filing portal, Praveen. Yeah, and there is no need to update your profile, because if you want to avail these services, you want to update the profile. If not, not required. Just I want to file my IT return, that's it. You can avail following services without update also. So you can click on skip. So just read this. If you have if you are applicable among these, you just update your profile. If not, not required. So just skip on this. And this is a home page of after login your account. So this is how it look like, and you can check your tax deposits, whatever deposits you made, like any TDS deductions, etc. You can check here. If you have that previous years, current years, each and everything you reflect here. And if you file any income tax returns recent day. So now we should file our income tax return. Just to click on here, file now. Yeah, if you click on file now, this is the screen it appears, and this is where our filing starts. So just be careful, and you click on 2021 financial year, but assessment year is 21-22. So just you click on 21-22 assessment year. That's it. You come down and continue online. Proceed. And I don't have any saved form, so not required. You just click on start new filing. I'm individual. Continue. And if you are confused what form you are applicable, then you can click on here and you can check. But I belong to ITR 1. Most probably all salaried peoples belongs to ITR 1. Those are having any business also, they belong to ITR 4. So let's ignore ITR 4, sorry. So click on ITR 1. Click on ITR 1 and you can, it will explain you what exactly ITR 1 also. So just proceed with ITR 1. This is a general salaried employees. And click on let's get started. Yeah, for what is the reason to file your income tax return? Because my taxable income is more than exemption limit. This is applicable to all and every employee. If not, you can click on this, not an issue, because the reason is just like optional thing. Yeah, so just mind that the income tax filing process under new website is a 5-step process. Personal information first you should fill, next gross total income details, next deductions, next taxes paid, total tax liability. So total 5 steps you should required to complete. So first is personal. You can see here, after filing each and every step, the other step will appear. After filing personal information, gross total income appears. After these, total deductions, tax paid, total tax liability. So fine. Now I will fill my personal